Are you looking to create two distinct blog post pages on your WordPress site, like one for company news and another for community updates? Maybe you want a clear home for all your business announcements while keeping your updates from your projects or audience separate. Well, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up two separate blog-style pages in WordPress, using categories and menus in a way that's clean, organized, and easy for your visitors to navigate. Ready? Let's dive in. First, we're going to use WordPress categories to create those separate sections. Go ahead and log into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu Find Posts, then click Categories. Here, where we lay the foundation. You'll type in a name for your first category. For example, let's call it News. If you want, you can fill in a description, but it's optional. Once you've entered the name, click Add New Category. Repeat that process for your second category, maybe Community Updates, or whatever best suits your content. Each category you add acts like a separate folder, organizing your posts and making it easier for your readers to find the topics they care most about. Now that your categories are set up, it's time to assign your posts so they actually show up in the right place. Whenever you're creating a new post or editing an older one, just look over to the sidebar in the post editor. You'll see a list of categories. Simply check the one that fits the topic of your post. So if you're posting company news, check News. If the post is about what your community has achieved, select Community Updates. This step is important because WordPress uses categories to filter and display your content. Think of it as sorting laundry. You don't want your socks mixing with your shirts if you can help it. With your content sorted, it's time to let visitors find it easily. Let's add these categories directly to your main menu. From the dashboard, go to Appearance and then Menus. Choose the menu you want to edit, usually labeled Main Menu or something similar. On the left, there's a tab labeled Categories. Click it and you'll see the categories you just created. Check the boxes for News and Community Updates, then click Add to Menu. You'll see them appear as menu items on the right. It's just like putting labeled buttons on your virtual front door. Drag and drop them into the order you like. Maybe you want News first, or perhaps Community Updates fits better at the end. Once you're happy, click Save Menu. That's all there is to it. Now, when your visitors click News or Community Updates from your site's menu, they'll each land on pages showing only the posts from that category, giving the feel of two separate blog pages. For even more customization, you can add a blog posts block on your custom pages using the block editor if you want to feature select articles or recent posts somewhere special. Don't worry if you need a few tries to get the categories or menu just right. WordPress makes it easy to adjust as you go. And that wraps up how you can unlock the power of categories and menus to run multiple blog-style pages from just one WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have questions or run into any bumps, drop a comment below. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, practical WordPress tips every week. Thanks for watching and happy blogging.